Hey everyone, so today we are going to start a new course that is data visualization and management with Python. Well, that's an old course, but this time I'm going to take it to a new level. I'm kind of making this course not only for the students who are just starting with the data science. I'm targeting this course for the researchers as well, who are into their research, who perform experiments daily, and we'll kind of see in this course how Python programming language can be used to analyze that kind of data. So I have been researcher for around 4 years, and I have seen whenever we perform experiments, we have a massive amount of data, and analyzing this kind of data requires a lot of effort. And there are, of course, a lot of tools already available to analyze the data, such as Origin. We have Excel as well. However, the kind of experiments that I perform generate that kind of data which cannot be visualized with such tools, or can be visualized, but I will not get that kind of flexibility with the software. So in this course I'm going to share my tools and techniques which I use to kind of visualize the data and how I kind of manage my data. All right, so now what you're gonna learn in this course, so let me actually summarize everything. So first of all, first thing first, you will actually learn basics of Python. Okay, so in which you will learn how data types are created, and what kind of data types are in Python, and for loop, while loop, functions, etc. So this is pretty much basics. You already know what these basics are. Then you will kind of go through some advanced stuff in Python, in which you will learn about classes. So classes is a totally different concept, right? We'll go through it. Then you will be getting into visualization of data. Okay, how are you going to visualize it? We'll actually learn. So the libraries that we are going to use will be plotly, then we'll use matplotlib, and then there is another library which we'll use, that is pyqt5, and then there is another one which is pyqtgraph. All right, so these many libraries you will be learning, so you should be very excited for it. Okay, so after that, after the advanced stuff, so yes, I forgot to tell you that in this visualization we'll also kind of try to understand how we can create our own graphical user interfaces. Okay, so you can actually create your own graphical user interfaces, such as a web browser or a simple app like calculator and something like that. Okay, and then we'll kind of learn about data management. Data management using SQLite, and technically you will be learning DBMS or CRUD based systems. Then we'll talk about applications. Okay, so in applications part, we are going to learn about how we can utilize this particular knowledge of ours in making or writing some awesome apps, such as live data visualization. Okay, so this live data visualization can be utilized where your data is kind of changing very rapidly. Say you are making an application which monitors the heart rate of some patient, or you're making an application which measures or kind of visualizes the temperature of some heat engine or a car engine or something like that. All right, so live data visualizations come pretty handy in such kind of situations. You will also learn to create a school database management. Okay, So you will also learn about this school database management as well. So we'll be creating a simple app to kind of record the data of students, and then we'll actually learn a pretty interesting topic, which is deep learning, or simply artificial neural networks. Okay, so this will be just a touch on the deep learning field. It will not go like a very deep inside it, but we'll just touch the deep learning. What are the tools that we're going to utilize? By the way, if you are interested in learning deep learning, then you can actually go to my live feeds, or you can go through my video catalog. You will find a lot of videos which dive deep into these deep learning techniques, and we kind of solve the problems using TensorFlow. All right, so everyone, this was the plan for this course, and this course is targeted for the students and researchers as well. So I hope you do enjoy this particular one. Okay, so I hope to see you in the next one.